How to block number in iPhone. This will show you how to delete and report junk messages on iPhone so you stop getting those annoying messages come through like this grad outcome one that I keep getting. So all you'll have to do is go to your messages on iPhone, then click on whichever message or person you want to block and report potentially. There you'll see their message, then below that it should say report junk. You want to click on that. If you click on the person's name, you could potentially block them in there too, but sometimes that doesn't work. That's at the top there. Or you can click that report junk underneath the message, then click on delete and report junk. Then that person will be removed, they'll be deleted from your messages and they'll be blocked. Similar, sometimes they'll do it from multiple different numbers, so you'll have to potentially click on the top part where their message is, then click on block this sender, then click on block contact. Hopefully then the messages will stop. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.